Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I will show you how to properly reset your service interval from a Citroen C4 from the year 2005 and up. On this car I already tried earlier to erase the service error from the dashboard, but it won't go away because I have another problem, because the service error from the dashboard is not because of the service interval. It is because I have a problem with the engine, and I will have to figure out later which problem I have on this car. But anyway, in today's episode I will show you how to reset the service interval on a Citroen C4 or on a Citroen Picasso or even on a Peugeot. As you can see, in the right corner down there it will write the service, like in this car. And after that what you'll have to do is to take off the ignition, and you'll have to press the left button from the dashboard. You'll have to press the trip button, and in the same time you'll have to turn on the ignition. And after that you'll have to wait 10 seconds, and you will see that the seconds are counting down. And after that, when the seconds reach 0, you can let go the ignition. You can turn off the ignition, and after that your service interval will be resetted. As you all can see, the little service indicator just reached number 0, and now I will let off the button. I will remove the finger from the trip button, and I will also remove the key from the ignition. After that, when you will start the car next time, when you will put the ignition, the service indicator light will disappear. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.